For decades, if you wanted to get somewhere fast, the answer was almost always to fly. Air travel became synonymous with speed and efficiency, shrinking distances and connecting the world in unprecedented ways. Trains, on the other hand, were largely relegated to scenic journeys, leisurely travel, and freight transport. They evoked a sense of nostalgia, a slower pace of life. Planes ruled the skies, soaring above the clouds, while trains hugged the ground, bound to the limitations of the tracks below. This was the established order, the accepted norm. The hierarchy was clear. Air travel was king, and rail travel was its humble subject. But then China decided to rewrite the rules of the game, challenging the long-held assumptions about speed and transportation. Enter the Shanghai Maglev, a marvel of engineering and a testament to innovation. A train that travels at a blistering 600 kilometers per hour. That's 373 miles per hour, a speed that rivals many commercial airplanes during takeoff and landing. Suddenly, trains are not just a leisurely alternative, they are seriously challenging planes for speed and efficiency on certain routes. This isn't just a minor upgrade to existing rail technology, it's a quantum leap forward, a paradigm shift in how we think about train travel. The Shanghai Maglev blurs the line between what we traditionally consider a train and a short-haul flight, offering a compelling alternative for travelers. Imagine traveling between major hubs like Beijing and Shanghai, arriving faster and more conveniently by train than by enduring the hassles of air travel. No more lengthy and stressful airport commutes, no more frustrating security lines, just a seamless journey from city center to city center in record time, maximizing your productivity and minimizing travel stress. It's not just about raw speed. It's about fundamentally transforming the entire travel experience, making it more convenient, comfortable, and efficient. This isn't some far-fetched concept from a science fiction novel. It's a tangible reality, running right now in China, transporting passengers at incredible speeds. The world is watching with keen interest as the established rules of travel are being rewritten before our very eyes. The once humble train has been reborn as a technological powerhouse, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in transportation. The implications of this technological leap are enormous, promising faster, easier, and significantly more efficient journeys for millions of people. The future of travel is actively being redefined, and it's happening right now, not in the skies, but on the very rails beneath our feet. The Shanghai Maglev stands as undeniable proof that the relentless race for speed and efficiency in transportation is far from over. And for the first time in a long time, the train might just be poised to take the lead and win this high-stakes race. Let's break down the numbers and really put this incredible speed into perspective. We're not just talking about a little faster, we're talking about a whole new dimension of speed. The Shanghai Maglev hits a staggering 600 kilometers per h. That's faster than most race cars. It's a speed that redefines what's possible on land. Commercial jets cruise at 800-900 km/h, a speed that seems untouchable. But that's only in the air, where they don't have to deal with pesky things like traffic lights or road conditions. Factor in airport commutes, the often lengthy check-in process, security lines that snake around the terminal, and the inevitable waiting at the gate. And suddenly, flying isn't quite so fast after all. The total travel time can be surprisingly long. High-speed trains like Japan's Shinkansen and France's TGV, the gold standards of rail travel, top out at a respectable 350 kilometers per h. Still incredibly fast, but the Maglev nearly doubles that speed, leaving them in the dust. It's a difference so significant, it makes even the fastest wheeled trains look comparatively slow. The Maglev is in a league of its own. Consider a Beijing-Shanghai flight. It covers the 1,300 kilometers distance in approximately 2 hours of actual flight time. But the whole trip, from the moment you leave your house to the moment you arrive at your destination, realistically takes 4 to 5 hours door to door. The Maglev can complete the same journey in about 2.5 hours, a significant time saving. And that's city center to city center, eliminating the need for lengthy airport transfers. Suddenly, the train isn't just competitive with air travel. It's the clear winner in terms of overall travel time and convenience. This isn't just about setting speed records and bragging rights. It's about fundamentally changing how we perceive and interact with distance. Cities feel closer and more accessible. Commutes shrink dramatically, and the entire country becomes more interconnected, fostering economic growth and cultural exchange. the psychological barrier of distance dissolves, making travel less daunting and more appealing. 600 kilometers per hour isn't just a sensational headline designed to grab attention. It's a genuine revolution in how we approach and experience mobility. It's a game changer. The Maglev has effectively delivered a knockout blow to many short-haul flights, offering a superior alternative. It's not just about going faster for the sake of speed. It's about fundamentally making the entire travel experience simpler, more efficient, and ultimately smarter. The raw numbers are undeniably impressive and capture the imagination. But the broader societal impact is even bigger, reshaping our lives in profound ways. The Maglev is actively changing the way we live, the way we work, and the way we connect with each other. It represents a new era, a bold step forward for ground-based travel and transportation. And this is only the beginning. The future of high-speed rail is bright, and the Maglev is leading the charge. Building a 600 km per h train isn't a weekend project. China set out to bridge the gap between high-speed rail and aviation, aiming for world leadership in transport tech. Thousands of engineers and scientists worked to create a lightweight aerodynamic train using advanced materials. Every detail was tested and refined, from levitation to propulsion to braking. The prototype was pushed to its limits, data analyzed at every step. The result? A train that not only broke speed records, but proved safe and reliable for public use. This was a triumph of engineering and ambition. The Maglev's creation is a story of national will and technological mastery. So, what's it like to ride the Maglev? Passengers describe the acceleration as smooth and almost silent, no jolts, just a powerful surge. The main sound is a faint whoosh of air inside. It's calm and stable. You can balance a coin on the windowsill at top speed thanks to magnetic levitation. The ride feels more like flying than any train you've ever taken. The real thrill, watching the digital speedometer climb to 600 kilometers per h. The scenery blurs by, but inside, you can read work or relax in comfort. It's a civilized way to travel at an uncivilized speed. The journey becomes an experience, not just a means to an end. This is the future of long-distance travel, fast, smooth, and surprisingly pleasant. The secret is in the name, Maglev, or magnetic levitation. The train floats above the track, held up by powerful electromagnets. No wheels, no friction. This eliminates rolling resistance, making the ride smooth, quiet, and energy efficient. Magnets on the train and guideway keep it perfectly stable, constantly adjusted by computers. Propulsion comes from a moving magnetic field in the track, pulling the train forward. Braking is just as elegant. Reverse the magnetic field, and the train slows, even generating electricity. By removing physical contact, Maglev technology makes 600 km per h practical and safe. It's a leap from 19th century mechanics to 21st century physics. The 600 km per h Maglev is more than a technological marvel. It represents a significant leap forward in transportation. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of faster, more efficient ways to travel. It's a tool for national development, strategically designed to enhance connectivity across vast distances. It links China's vast megacities, creating a seamless network that facilitates the movement of people and goods. This interconnectedness fosters collaboration and growth. Turning long journeys into quick commutes, it shrinks the perceived distances between urban centers, making it easier for professionals to live and work across different regions, and boosting economic integration by enabling businesses to expand their reach and access new markets with unprecedented speed and efficiency. Globally, it positions China as a leader in advanced transport, showcasing its technological prowess on the world stage, setting new standards for others to follow, influencing the future of transportation infrastructure worldwide. The environmental impact is significant, offering a pathway towards more sustainable transportation solutions. Maglevs offer a greener alternative to short-haul flights, reducing the reliance on air travel for regional connectivity, cutting carbon emissions, and contributing to a cleaner, healthier environment for future generations. As the world seeks low-carbon travel options, the Maglev emerges as a frontrunner in the race to create a sustainable transportation ecosystem. Maglevs are a fast, real solution, demonstrating that high-speed travel and environmental responsibility can coexist. Building this train pushed China to innovate in materials science, leading to breakthroughs that have applications far beyond the railway industry. Electronics and manufacturing processes, driving advancements across various high-tech sectors. benefiting many industries and fostering a culture of innovation and technological advancement. The Maglev isn't just a train, it's a symbol of technological ambition and a catalyst for further innovation. It's an engine for progress and innovation, inspiring future generations of engineers and scientists. It's a symbol of ambition, reflecting a nation's commitment to pushing the boundaries of what's possible, reshaping how nations connect and compete in an increasingly interconnected world, fostering collaboration and driving economic growth. The ripple effects go far beyond the railway sector, impacting various industries and creating new opportunities for growth and development. The Maglev is driving a new era of technological advancement, paving the way for a future where transportation is faster, more efficient, and more sustainable. The Maglev's future isn't without obstacles. The biggest challenge? Cost. Building dedicated Maglev lines is expensive and complex. Integration with existing transport systems is essential but difficult. Technical hurdles like building stable tracks across challenging terrain add to the complexity. But the technology is a stepping stone to even faster concepts, like the Hyperloop or VAC train. Imagine trains in vacuum tubes, reaching over 1,000 kilometers per h faster than any plane. China is already researching these possibilities. Despite the challenges, the Maglev has changed the future of travel. It proves ground transport can rival aviation for speed and comfort. This is just the beginning, a new chapter in human mobility. The journey into the future of travel is only getting started.